Hey, YouTube.com. Since this is the mastermind class, I should kind of put up a video that shows my proof of a little bit of knowledge, a little bit of experience to like kind of weigh in on what I am, my expertise. So I don't have anything going on that's super crazy, but I'm starting to. So the things that I'm talking about in my videos and starting to apply them are actually starting to show results. So I just want to kind of talk about my flagship channel. I run 20 channels, and then this is. Oh, sorry. I keep forgetting my camera's like flipped around. But anyway, this is my best performing channel. It is on its way, well on its way to monetization. Um, the earn, like see, like I'm almost to my first tier of monetization with the super chats and membership and stuff. And then the second monetization, I am almost there. I'm starting to now figure out how to get subscribers. That was my last problem. I've been able to get people to watch my videos. This is 2,537 watch hours in about 6 months since May. So as long as I just don't screw the pooch in the next 6 months, this should, you know, level out pretty well. Plus now, the second problem before the second part of the monetization with subscriber count, which is what I was struggling with, is now I feel solved a lot more. And this is my proof of that because I made a video. It is more of it's viral for me, but it's not so much that it's that I'm converting people to subscribers off one video. This is in 4 days, so I'm getting just under 8 subscribers a day, and it's still doing well. We'll see how it does in the algorithm today, but it may just like kind of level off, and then just this is one of those like people aren't going to be. This is a recommendation from YouTube Home. It's not really coming from search too much, even though if I get 12 views every 4 days or 3 views a day, I'd be very very happy with that, um, because my average view time is 254. So if I get that, that'd be 12 minutes every 4 days. So then 12 minutes times 365 would be 4,380, which would give me an extra 73 watch hours. And if I'm converting at 30, is it 30 subs? 30 subs per 900 views. Um, that's a 3% conversion. So every 100 viewers, I'll get 3 subs. So if I get, what is it, 12 every 4 days, 12 divided by 4, every 3 view. Okay, so I would be getting a new sub every 33 days. So 365 divided by, I'll just do 34. I'll be getting 10 subs just off this video in the year. So I'm happy with that. Like the work's done, whatever. And that's kind of baseline math based on the math so far, but may get more from this one. But it is a start of a series. It is episode 1, which I view the first episode is not the most popular one. The most popular one will be when I start showing results for this video. But anyway, so how I got here is that step 1, I just started posting. Okay, so here's this test broadcast. I was going to stream, but I decided that was not very good. So let me just move up here real quick. Then I just started posting, and I'm like, I don't know what to make, so I'll just make tutorials. Okay, I was super nervous, but then I just made a rule for myself. This is where constraints create. This is from a video that will come out, or did come out. It's a 1 minute video. I created rules for myself, and then I just said, I'm going to follow these rules regardless of how I feel. Who cares, right? Your feelings don't matter. It's the plan. It's the rule set. So my rule was 1 video a day. Who cares what it's about? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 6, missed a day here, 16, 17, missed another day, but 2 posts in 1 day. So it's probably just an upload scheduling conflict. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, as you get the point here. I did post daily, and as I posted daily, I just hit one thing, and it's if you're brand new, do this first. Uh, Beginner's New Account Guide, free to play money making. So how I got this title, this idea, is that after you post for a while, there's a thing on your analytics page here. You'll get an inspiration, and I hypothesized that this was based on the people who are watching your content, what is the thing, what are the keywords they're looking up? So I just look at this top 4, you can do a show all, and then I would just pick one, and I assumed that more left top meant that was what they were more looking for. And how to make money, old school RuneScape, AFK money making, OSRS, early game, OSRS, low level combat money. So I noticed that the pattern was that it was a brand new players who were watching my content. It wasn't anybody who I was trying to reach. It was a specific set of players in the players I was trying to reach. Brand new players, people who had just found RuneScape. So that I got very fortunate to then have like gone to the analytics inspiration tab and then gotten that, because this still does 40 views a day, 104 likes, gets me some subscribers. I'm not getting a lot of subs off this, but it's decent. Yeah, it's kind of the same level. But the CTR or the subscriber conversion is very low, 6,000. You know, if I was at 6,000, I would expect 6x from my most recent series. But still, getting a lot of watch time, getting a lot of views. Watch time is more important though, but views and some subscribers. So this was my first taste of success. Okay. So then moving on from there, I realized, okay, well, that is my thing now. So I'm going to start doing that. I made some funny videos. People didn't like too much, but that taught me to deal with harsh criticism. And I still just stuck to my schedule of just going every single day. Okay. Just kept going as much as possible. Once a day until I could not possibly do it anymore. I've done more over a month of it straight. And then, you know, I started new series and I got, you know, some sort like more and more feedback from people and just kept going from one rule. You know, that's the power of this consistency here. Right. 82 videos. And then I even tried not even titling my video to see what would happen. I was like, okay, I just need to try something new. I shifted my experimentation to one post a day to try different things, figure out why everything is. So just like figuring it out, but still just maintaining that rule of trying to post every single day. Yeah. So that would be my first piece of advice. Who cares how you feel? It will feel bad. It will feel bad. I'm telling you, it'll feel bad to post every single day if you've never done something like that before. But it does get manageable. It does get easier. You get better. It stops mattering as much every single day. Like after 30 videos in a row per day, the struggle of it, the tenacity you develop from it is just insane. Okay. So then, you know, if I just stuck with it, I kept doing what worked and then I stopped doing things that didn't work, even if I got a lot of blowback, I just stopped doing the things that caused the blowback, and then we see big shifts in the audience retention or the audience feedback, and you know the viewership's still there. I had to leave when I had to go help my grandma. That's what happened here. So I had to leave, and I tried getting back on the daily schedule here, and it did kind of work, but then I kind of burnt out a little bit. So then I stopped and I started going to like weekly checks every other day, kind of sporadic, but still just had when the first motivation I lost from the multiple, like the month, 2 month, whatever it was, posting in a row, it just kept, when I stopped doing that rule specifically and started shifting to other things, it paid off in dividends because I was still maintaining, it was still such an ingrained habit in my mind that I was still posting at least once a week. And since I was posting once a week, I was making better thumbnails because I was just resting more and applying the feedback or the information that I got from my survival stage. You could say my sprint, my first sprint. And now when I drop a video, I have 21 likes on 200 views instead of like 5 likes on 100 views, whatever. People are interested in the content; they're watching it. Like this one. This is my podcast. Got 11 subs, 11 off 24. So I mean, like that's really good. 26 watch hour time. You know what I mean? Still like it's a mixed bag. What people like, don't like. But then I hit this one, and like I said, now I'm here. So that's just kind of my quick whatever. And if we look at my total analytics here, I'm at 82 subscribers in the past 28 days. I am doing 500 views a day right now, 341 subscribers, and that's kind of how I got there. So that's going to be, if you want to see more about this, maybe I'll make more videos about it because I'm just trying to make things that I think work. And this is just my evidence to show that consistency matters more than like anything. and just setting a rule for yourself. Constraints create. So when you set rules for yourself, it pushes you, how far can you go? So that's the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Subscribe.